Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you post your item but it's not appearing in search results? If your listing is not showing, it could be due to review delays, visibility settings, or account related issues. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix listing not showing on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, why your listing isn't showing. So common reasons include listing still under review, location radius mismatch, account restriction, wrong category, hidden from friends enabled, and marketplace glitch or cache issues. So visibility is controlled by algorithm plus filters. Okay, so first thing first, confirm listing is active. So go to marketplace. Okay, tap your profile icon here. Okay, and select your listings. Okay, like this. Check status. Okay, so for example like this, it's available, so active, pending review, and rejected. These are the options that you must have on your listing. Okay, so if pending, wait for approval. So now tap location in marketplace. Okay, and confirm city and radius, search for your item manually, expand radius if needed. Okay, your listing may not appear outside radius. Okay, so you can also edit your listing, check category accuracy, ensure searchable keywords are included. So use brand plus model, avoid restricted words. Okay, so incorrect category reduces visibility. So go to settings. Okay, open account status, look for marketplace restrictions, fix violations if present, request review if eligible, and you have to know that restricted accounts limits exposure. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.